my toys! Give them back! Swoosh! Superboy and Captain Star are flying! Henry, no! I want to play!
Oh dear. Henry, be nice. You must share the toys with Lily. Oh no, I need the bathroom right now. Be good, kids, stay here.
Sniff, sniff. What is that bad smell? Look, Henry! A fire in the kitchen! Stop, Lily. Stay back. It is hot. Mom! Come quickly, help!
I am here. Stand back, kids. I will use water. No water, Mom. Never use water.
Use the big lid.
Cover the pan. The fire is out.
Turn off the stove.
I am sorry, Lily. We can play together. Wait, what is that sound?
Let me look inside.
Oh, a broken pipe!
The water is too strong. I cannot stop it.
Water is everywhere. Whoa, it is slippery. Do not run. Walk slowly like a penguin.
Kids, I need help. Get buckets and towels.
Let's go, team. Oh no! Our toys are in danger! I have the buckets. Make a wall of towels. Stop the water. Put the bucket here. Catch the water. Oh no, the bucket is full!
Quick, switch the buckets. Pour the water away. It is heavy.
The towels are too wet. They cannot hold water.
Think. We must turn off the main valve.
Where is the main valve? In the bedroom?
No, Lily. It is outside, in the garden. Put on your boots first.
Let's go find the valve. I am looking carefully. Oh, it is just a toy. Look, follow the pipe.
It is under the leaves.
Here's a green box.
Lily, come here! I found it!
Wow, the big red wheel.
Ugh, it is too tight. I cannot turn it. I am here. Let me help. Remember, turn right to close. It is very hard. I need more power.
We can do it together. Teamwork.
1, 2, 3, push!
It is moving. Keep pushing.
Done. The valve is closed tight.
Listen, the water stopped. Yay, we did it!
Now, let's clean up our mess.
Squeeze the water out. Mop, mop, make it dry.
I am sorry, Lily. Let's share the toys. You are brave scouts. Here are your badges. Rule 1. Cover pan fire. Never use water.
Rule 2. Turn right to close.
Rule 3. Share toys and work together.
Do you share your toys? Tell us. Bye-bye.